Good morning, everybody. It's Angela from Wyllie's Travel Adventures. I hope you're all well. So that's us back from Benidorm. We've been back since Sunday. All the videos have gone on, bar one, which shows you our walk from Flamingo Oasis down to the seafront. So that'll be coming on very shortly. And then I'll probably upload a few pictures of the holidays. And then as of today, we don't know where we're going next, so we'll just have to go with the flow and see where it takes us. We might do a few day trips around the area. As I said on previous videos, we live near Carlisle, and to be quite honest, there's not a lot to video around here. There is the Lake District, but I don't seem to get many subscriptions for them sort of places, and also views. I don't know why. But yeah, Dave and I would really love to do this full time. We love travelling. I love going to theme parks. I like going on roller coasters, but time is not on my side age-wise, but I still like going on them. So that's what we want to do. We'd love to do it full time, but my work doesn't let me do that at the minute. The most nights we can spend away barring holidays as a couple. So we don't know what we're going to do in the future, whether to carry on with the channel. We hope so. We do want to do it full time. We do have up nearly 700 subscriptions, so it'd be great if we can have a few more. We need 1,000 to start getting a little bit of revenue from the adverts that are on some of the videos, and also we need the watched hours as well, because that's another stipulation. I think it's about 4,000 watched hours. I did have about 3,800, but it's gone down a bit because there was a spell where we weren't going anywhere. Unfortunately, with my work, we cannot do a daily video, and so it would really be good if you would like to subscribe. I know we're not brilliant, but we do try our best. So I thought to myself, what can we do that I can do in the meantime? And if everybody casts their minds back to lockdown, what did they do for time? Well, I did lots of jigsaws, but that was before I started this channel up. So I thought, well, my daughter bought me a Lego set last year. It was all like a bouquet of flowers, which I did that. And I thought, well, she's bought me another two for my birthday, and one of them is The Magic of Disney. It's an adult Lego set. So I'm going to give that a try. So I thought, well, I'll film bits as I'm going along. I don't know how I'm going to stand my phone up, but we'll see. So I'm going to show you the picture, and then what I'll do is I'll get the base ready and show you how that's going. And then as I'm building it, I'll take little videos of stages of where I am, and I'll show you what's in the box as well, how the Lego comes in as well. It's just something to do while we're not traveling, and something else to put on the video, so we hope you like it. So I'm going to swivel you around now and show you the box. I'll open the box and I'll show you how all the bits come in too. So there you have it, The Magic of Disney. And it's for 18 pluses, and it's got 1,103 bits. So I'm going to open it up in a moment, and then I'll complete the base. I'll show you what's in the box first, and then I'll complete the base. Then I'll take a video of that, and as I get other things done, I shall video them as well, and then eventually it'll be the finished product. But I don't think I'll get it all done in a day. We'll see how I go. So anyways, we'll see you all in a minute when I've unboxed it. So I've just opened the box, so you get an instruction booklet. Quite thick. It's like a little novel. Let's have a look inside here. So it tells you how to do. It's quite easy to follow the instructions, and probably it's a good job you have these instructions, or you'll be struggling a bit. But yeah, that's the book, and it comes with 9 bags of Lego. So you just follow the instructions and open the bags when necessary. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be doing the base first. So we'll catch up with you when I've done the base. So Wish me luck. So that's bag 1 done, with 3 little stands and the Beauty and the Beast. So we're going to be doing bag 2. That took about 25 minutes. That wasn't too bad. So I'm going on to bag 2 now. So here are the contents of bag 2. And it's all about Encanto, this bag. So that's bag 2 done. Encanto. And you also get lots of spares with Lego, so that's good. Just in case you need a bit elsewhere. So we'll carry on with bag 3 now. So I've moved tables because no good sitting in that living room. I was getting sore neck, sore everything. So I moved on the kitchen table. So that's the Lion King one coming along. You don't realise how long it takes when you're not used to doing Lego. But yeah, we'll carry on. I don't know how much more I'm going to be doing today. It's 2 now. Been at it for about an hour and a half or something. So we'll carry on and let you see what it gets to later on. There we go, that's another one complete. So I'm on to number 4 now. We'll see how we get on with that one. So there's lots of bits to number 4. I think that's mainly the stand for Mickey Mouse to sit on. Yeah, I think it is. So that should be fairly straightforward. So I'll let you see what it's like when it's finished. So there we have number 4, and I'm about to go on to number 5 now. Time consuming, but very rewarding when you've got it all done. There we go, that's the finished products for tonight. And so I've got 4 more bags to do. I'm up to number 6 now. So there you go, so I'll finish it off tomorrow. So we'll see you all later on. Bye for now. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Angela from Wyllie's Travel Adventures. Day 2 of my Lego building. So I've got 6, 7, 8 and 9 left to do, the bags of Lego. So I'm going to be starting on number 6. So I'll let you see what's inside the bag. And that's what's in bag 6. It always comes with a bag inside a bag, so you've got your bigger bits separate to the smaller bits. They come in a little bag of their own. So I'll get cracking and then I'll show you what it looks like when I've finished. So that's bag 6 done. It's the broomsticks of Fantasia and Pinocchio's. I don't know what he's called. Geppetto. There we go. So on to bag 7 now. The construction of Mickey Mouse. Quite a lot in this bag. There we go. So that's number 8 completed. I'm not sure I've done it right, but time will tell when I get the rest of them done. So that's bag number 7 completed. I'm still a bit unsure whether I've done it right, but time will tell when I get the next bag open. Bag 8, and there was 2 little bags inside this one. This looks a bit more difficult, so we'll show you it when we get finished. So that's bag 8 done, Mickey's body. Now it'll be for the head. And then we'll be all done. Good morning all. It's Andrea here from Wyllie's Travel Adventures. Well, it was a bit of a disaster last night trying this Lego because there's 3 bits missing. So this black bit here, I should have 4 of them, but I've only got 1. Searched all the bags, searched the floor, everywhere, no sign, but I found 3 bits which are the same size. They're just different colours, so I'm going to shove them in for now, and then my daughter is going to get the proper pieces from Lego. So hopefully we'll have it finished this morning. So let's get on with it. Hooray, I've done it. There we go. Had to improvise and put 3 different coloured bits in, but it's around the back so you can't really see it. There we go, that's it finished. Very therapeutic. That's what I might start doing while I'm not travelling or anything. There we go. That's the finished product.